There we go.
Now is the stream working?
Check it. Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, now it's working. It's also on my phone and stuff. Okay, that's good.
Can you hear me talking right now in a few seconds?
Yep.
You heard me say that on stream?
Oh, it's really delayed. Let me also close the stream itself. So you hear me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I do.
So, but it's still not showing up on your channel.
Well, Dan Man's on, so.
What?
Dan Man's watching. So I know that he could see it, so it's probably
But
working.
he is what probably he has probably done it over the Discord link. It works there. Watch this video on YouTube, but so that yeah started streaming. Yeah, that other. Is there any delay or something?
Yeah, there's stream delay.
Well, how much delay is there?
Oh.
It's so funny hearing the same sentence like really delayed.
Okay, here we go. Do we make public the game now?
Yep.
Okay.
So how many people are watching? Let's just
There are a
sure.
couple people. Okay, let's just start. I'm showing it now.
Okay. So guys, we have made.
Jesus, the noise is so bad. The music. We will be changing the music soon for sure.
Yeah.
This is just basically the beta music. You guys will probably find it extremely annoying, but it's better than nothing, I'd say.
Yeah.
Just a warning, I completely suck at this.
So I have an idea. Maybe I can turn on screen sharing.
Nope. I'm already dead.
Okay. Let me turn on screen sharing, and then you just click on on my screen.
Yeah, I'm showing them the game right now because I can't get far enough to.
I have it in the game engine now.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it's turning out for him. And the mod will still be being worked on, that's for sure, right, Baltic? Paul. Hello? You there? Baltic. Hello? You there? I don't know, I think he died, guys. Did your internet die, Paul Tech? You there? You there? Hello? And as usually, something has to go wrong. Right? Ain't that how it usually works? And he's gone. Okay. Anybody left? Yep, 2 people left. Okay. So basically we have decided that we're also gonna make some video games along with the mod. So, and also we're gonna be looking for more members of the modding and gaming team. So basically, if you guys have a skill of 3D modeling, if you are good at writing storylines, good at coding, anything like that, or you're willing to learn, if you want to join our team, then yeah. They are. Great. I gotta work on that then. What do you mean they're messed up? Oh, okay, that's why. Did that fix him? Damon?
Hi, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
My Wi-Fi crashed.
That's what I thought. Okay. Basically, I told them about how we're gonna also make games and continue the mod and that we're recruiting.
And so the stream is still running, right?
Yeah.
So basically about the mod, right now my friend is doing a big core part of our Firetech lib, and basically right now we don't have a lot of control on when it's finished. So telling us to hurry up is probably not gonna change much.
Nope.
But after he's done, the development is gonna be like really fast. So basically, how it will work is we will have a Firetech library, which will include basic Jython libraries. So, just speaking, we can then make mods using Python instead of Java, which will make everything go way faster. And then basically we're gonna be really fast.
Yeah. And then onto the video game making part. We have some game ideas in line.
Yeah, we have some
idea.
really good game ideas. Like, really stick around.
Yeah. And
And
we
this
are
is
already writing the storyline for it, practically. We have
yeah,
Yeager's our manager and writer, so we are looking for more writers. So if you could
well, not
basically write the
necessarily
word the,
writers,
you could be
but
recruited.
not necessarily. We already have many writers, though. But
Well, it's just me and Yeager. We could use more.
yeah, but yeah,
Basically
it's
every
rather we need
you
like
can write.
people that
That's good.
are wanting to maybe design assets like 3D models.
Well, we're looking for practically everything at this point.
Exactly. So the basically for 2D stuff, like menus and 2D game art characters and stuff,
Yeah, it's typing.
we're gonna be using GIMP and Krita. No Photoshop. Um, we're also for 3D models, we're gonna be using Blender. And for game development, I have looked around for really long, and I have figured out that for my needs and for what we're gonna do, the Godot game engine is the best fit. It has wonderful
Basically, just
3D
because it's
graphics.
free.
It's not just because it's free; it's also open source. I
Yeah,
mean,
that
Unity
means it's
is
free.
free, but unless you want the paid version. But it's also open source, so if there's something wrong about the editor or something, you can also fix it yourself, whatever. Then it has a wonderful community, and the main reason I didn't go with Unreal is, first of all, I don't have a PhD in computer science, which is kind of the requirements to operate Unreal. Second of all, it's more like a pay to develop community. And third of all, it's slow and tedious and C++ all the time.
So basically, we're just using the Godot engine because it's a lot easier.
Not only because it's also cooler. As many features Unreal kind of does Unreal natively support web and stuff. I don't know. So Godot was my favorite game engine. And then for 3D models, we already said using Blender and some. We're probably gonna also use Make Human for like humanoid models, because I am not gonna sit there like for our games we're doing model like 100 different types of humans. So then for music making, we're using, it's called LMMS or something. So this is basically a list of programs we're gonna use. Then yeah, you want to continue or something?
Yes. What's it called? So yeah, we basically need more writers, 3D modelers, and if you can code. We don't come across that much, then especially.
Well, actually, now about the coding, it's like GD script is you really don't really need to be that good in coding. It's
Yeah,
like
if
many
you're willing
people
to
that
learn,
develop games are like,
if you want to
yeah,
learn how to
many
code, then
people
you're in.
start with. This is basically a language similar to Python, and at Firetech Studios we're gonna focus on using Python, um, GD script, which is for Godot, the script language. Then a little bit of C++ and Java. Well, obviously we want to use as little Java as we can all the time, so obviously that's why we're also making Jython
Yeah. So basically, how the the employee thing works is when you first join, you get the employee role, which gives you access to a couple chats. That basically, then once we start to trust you enough, then you'll slowly rise in the ranks, and then once you're trusted enough, you will get the project's name and access to it, like the more advanced game that we're working on. which
Yeah.
will we'll release like the name and all for it, and start giving hints about halfway through its development.
Yeah.
Since I think that's pretty fair, right, Paul?
Can I maybe give a little sneak peek?
Yes, I mean, we don't want to give the title because it literally just gives away the whole entire thing. But which one are we doing first? Now we're talking about it. Stream.
Just a sec. Let Can I ask you about the exact thing I want to show you so it won't pop up on the stream? Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna. We'll just talk about this later. But basically, the that we have in mind, one we're gonna do first, and then the other one later on, since that's gonna take us like a couple years to make.
So it's not gonna take a couple years. It's gonna take.
The one that I think you're talking about that we're working on, well, me and Yeager are working on, that's gonna take like 4 years.
No. See. For you don't know. Like 4 years long.
Yeah.
You can make pretty big games in a short time if you want.
Yes,
It's
but the sheer size
more
of this
about-
one's gonna be a while.
It is a huge size. We need to overcome many technical difficulties.
Well, right now what we need is basically, because I'm working on the storyline during school hours, practically, on my Chromebook.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
right now what
I
we need
know.
is 3D modelers. So if you're willing to learn, I could teach you how to 3D model, to the
And
extent
we're
that I
open
know.
to
If you're willing to learn, message me and I'll start teaching you, and you'll get in training role.
And I will also.
No, we aren't making Minecraft. Nope.
Can I give the sneak peek? I can give you like a word.
Yeah, go ahead.
Where that you're not gonna know anything about the gun I model. Can I give it as a sneak?
That gives away the time error, though.
Okay. You're right. You're right.
Fine, I mean, yeah, yeah, just give it away. Because it could be a couple 100 years.
It's a really like rendered view.
No, we aren't making Russian Minecraft.
Now, hop onto my screen. I'm gonna screen share and you hop onto there, and this is what I'm.
Yeah. Alright, tell me once it's good.
This.
Yep. Damn, that's really good. I haven't seen it in a while.
I know, it's super good.
If you guys know what it is, you know what it is. I can hear myself again, Paul.
What?
I can hear myself through your microphone again.
No clue, but it's weird and shouldn't have.
Yeah.
If we're at it, I'd also like to show just a sec other 3D models I'm working on. Like this one, Shift C. Look, this is my other 3D model I've been working on.
Well, the musket,
This doesn't give away anything. This is nothing about the game.
I don't know why he made that. Anyway.
I like it. It's like, you know,
Well, are we making a shark film now?
Yeah, we are.
Anyway.
Kevin and Megalodon.
The musket is a hint to the video game that we're working on.
Yeah. Those eyes look like they're staring into your soul. That's a pretty cool thing. Another thing I might what other thing is could I is that I've been working on the N1 model for quite some time now, when I actually, even though it's not that good of a model, In my opinion, it's absolutely better than the MC Heli model. Let's just get that straight.
Yeah, I see a couple modifications that can be made, but
You know that actually the MC Heli model does not even have anything. Like this, can I just tell you
alright,
that?
I gotta answer Bumble's thing here. He said that he will pay thousands of dollars for an off-brand MC Heli shark plane.
No, thousands
Okay.
of dollars.
How about
Where
for
the
free,
hell-
Bumble? What do you think of that?
An off-brand MC Heli plane. That's easy. Oh, actually, an F-35 model. Like that you could just throw together in a few seconds. Is that? It's really nothing. That.
It's good enough. It's better than the MC Heli one.
Well, yeah, everything is. The MC Heli model.
How's
is
about
like-
one diamond block, Bumble?
Making MC Heli vehicles is the easiest thing ever. Where the hell did I hide the engine? Alt H. Oh no, that's.
Yeah, that's another point there. So this is basically proof that we actually are working on it. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. This is absolute proof that we are working on it. Now that I don't give away too much.
And we aren't, but we actually are doing it.
Yeah, of course. No.
Should I give them a quote? The storyline later, post it in the Discord.
Yeah. And always my logo is the best logo of all time. Super cool, right? That stuff's cool, isn't it?
Okay, we're not going over how cool our logos are. I think our Discord logo is probably the best. Is that a dog on the floor?
It's a HDRI. Yeah, it is a dog on the floor. But it's just that it's like the environment lighting I'm using for my logo, which is actually should probably be using something else, but
Okay, we're not going over logos.
yeah. Now a thing I would like to do with the community is actually a few years ago I had a party and my first ever game I made was a tower defense game made in Python Pygame. It doesn't work on this computer. It only works on the Raspberry Pi probably. Because it's kind of the locations of the files are way too hard coded. But then about
Alright, so
that,
just get to the point there. So before we make the larger game that we're writing the storyline for, we're gonna make a tower defense type thing.
yeah, exactly. But not getting to the point. I mean, what I want to do is make a few levels for the game with the community. Now, for now, see this link. I want you all to, if you're on a computer, not on mobile.
Here, I'm gonna copy and paste it.
And copy and paste it to like the live chat or something. You can either download it for Linux, by the way, the best option, or if you wanna, you can also do it for Windows. So and then you can technically actually play it in the browser. It's just my browser does not like that.
Yeah, the music is ridiculously obnoxious. We're working on it.
Yeah, my sister's actually making the new music herself.
Yeah, you told her
And
to do it before you told me.
The only valid comment. This is my game and I like it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Comment whatever you want, I really don't care. And as you can see, I'm terrible at it.
Well, who isn't?
Did I just unpin Chrome? I unpin Chrome.
Don't use Chrome. Use Firefox. Now, does the community say they want to do, like the live chat say they want to do a level on stream? Is that a cool idea? To show...
Oh no, I just X'd out my Damn it. That's not good. Did I stop streaming? Matthew, is the stream still working?
YouTube. Let me check. Yeah, it is still
Okay,
live.
it's still working. Okay.
So, what I do is...
Okay, Bumble, find
Dan
every single bug
I
in
will-
existence on it, okay?
Dan, does your graphing calculator do OpenGL? Then it might work. Yeah, give me 5 minutes and I will find every bug. Probably not. It has too many bugs to find, you know. No, it's actually not a Rickroll. Of course it isn't. It would say youtube.com or something. / then the Rickroll thing. Now, do we want to make a level? Everybody who is in the stream? No? Yeah, your graphing calculator can probably rock a lot. So, basically, you guys now want to make a level? I haven't seen any comments yet.
Yeah, Bumble, that's not a bug because you can find hearts throughout the map thing.
That's the point, because...
So you find that one extra one, and when you jump on it, it adds it to your thing.
Exactly. And yes, there will be monsters, but this is actually mostly... This game is the way for me to learn how to use Godot.
Yeah, it's a... I call it Godot.
It's called Godot.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
I also
one
call
thing.
it
He
Godot,
lives literally in Europe, like across the world practically.
But I also call it Godot, but it's actually pronounced Godot.
Okay.
In every
Okay, I'm gonna keep calling it Godot, because that's just what seems right to me, but okay.
Yeah,
Bumble, find any bugs yet in it? Because I haven't found any, and I can't make it past a couple things. So
that's probably the reason. Try the second level. The second level is better. It's way cooler.
Yeah, I'll try
way
it.
more unique.
6 people are watching. That's like a new record.
Yeah. Really? New record? Cool. I live on the dark side of the moon. Really? Do you guys have Wi-Fi there? I really don't think so. So I have never actually tested it on Windows for obvious reasons.
Well, well, it works on Windows. I've tested it.
Okay. Great.
Which that's good. Oh no, I just fell for the hidden thing you were telling me about.
Just look at it. Yeah, and I'm actually really proud of that game.
Like, there was a spiky thing there. I didn't see it.
Now
I'm on 1 heart.
Let me... yeah, 1 heart is normal. Just from here on out, just make sure not to fall on that thing. And now, let me give you instructions. You jump up. Now you jump out and up at the same time. Go right onto the ledge. Right onto the ledge. Yeah, perfect! You did it! Yeah! Now jump on it.
I'm doing good. This is like a new... This is like
yeah, you're doing it! And from now on, it's gonna be really, really, really cool. And the hardest part is still coming.
This is level 2, guys.
Yeah, I also like level 2 more. And level 2, you can collect 50 coins. Let me just tell you that. Now, there's a hard part coming.
That doesn't sound good.
Now, just don't jump onto that rotating thing. Now I'm giving you instructions.
Yep, there we go. I'm dead.
Jump up on there.
I died.
And now that ledge jumping thing. I know!
Yeah, I died.
You were so close to completing it.
You're watching the stream, remember, it's delayed.
Yeah, I know. The spikes don't bounce you. Godot
And I'm already dead.
doesn't realize it. Godot does not realize that the spikes are round, and I have. You're right. That is a bug. But
Oh, so he did find a bug.
Yeah, he did find one bug, but I already knew about that one.
Okay. Well, you get credit, Bumble. You actually found something.
And I can play every level with my little brother, who is 2 years old and has no control. He will just randomly hit the space bar. Him doing the space bar stuff, and I doing the rest of the level. And let me tell you, the ledge jumping thing is so hard when he just thinks he's seeing a train, or not a train, but like, then he's looking at like, I have like those coding magazines on my lying on my desk, and one of them has like a train on it. And then my brother in the middle of playing
terrible.
the game, like, pointing at it, and then
wow, that's just
there. And you don't know how bad it is when you're doing like a ledge jump and he lets go of the space bar. You add a rickroll when you finish the game. I mean, now between the 5 people watching right now, I think that may be a funny idea. Just don't tell anybody else. I now know how to actually do links.
Now Dan Man's gonna go on every single server in existence and do an ad to everyone.
Actually, you can't usually do an ad to everyone.
Okay, but he has the ability to do it in like a couple servers.
A bot.
In our servers, so.
Not really a bug, but the death screen has a larger vision than when you are normally playing. What do you mean? Oh, that's actually it's just a screenshot of basically. I could have easily made it not being a screenshot, and I could have made it actually display the red stuff over your actual screen, but I was too lazy to do that, and I didn't know if it would look good in some occasions, and then I just stuck with a screenshot. It is not a bug though. That's
Damn it.
Let me just say intended. Then another kind of intended thing is that well, it's just not really. You say it's fair, but I was just super lazy. And same with the sound effects. I actually had planned to do all the sound effects and stuff for today. Then I just
okay, you ready? I forgot what was my sound thing called.
So now, guys in the stream, should we design a level with the community? Or just a second, my parents came home. Let me just say.
Alright, it's called that. There we go.
So I'm back and just told my parents that we're streaming. Not that they burst into my room. Now.
That's what I use.
Yeah, it's actually intended. This dirt block at the end basically should display a transition to the rock. But now I would really like to live stream me making a level, and the community bringing their ideas to the table. Yeah, at the end of the map, exactly. So we can design a brand new level. I'm gonna hop into. Do you see my screen? Share my screen.
You see it.
Soundtrap. What's that?
That's the thing that I used. I did a thing on it in school, so I know how it works.
We're using a better, more official one.
Yeah, I like
now,
that one though.
Here, Godot. Close the blender off. Now let's start by.
That is a good point that Bumble
just
made.
turn off your audio, or
yeah, but maybe we should add a setting thing to.
Yeah, I know we should, but that's not a huge priority because you can just turn
It's a
off
priority.
the
Somebody requested it, so it's a priority.
I know. I see the chat on my phone. So basically, community, hear me?
Yes, community here.
Should we make a level together, like a level 3? You guys see my screen, right? Okay, we're gonna make a level 3. Levels, and we're gonna duplicate level 2.
I should pull out the pop-up for this. There we go.
Level 3. And now the script file.
You already made one. It's level 2
I
GD.
copied the .gd.
Yeah.
.tscn. Now here, open that up, script, and the script needs to open that up.
Oh,
now.
Okay.
The script is a load levels level 3.gd. Now in level script and level 3.gd, we need to change the level. That's main level selected to 3. And in the main menu, I'm gonna go here, duplicate that. To 3. Actually, I don't know how that part is actually built up. Now, level 3, some sort of script. No. That one have a script? No, also not. This one has a script. Exactly. For now. To the, and now here we're gonna go node, pressed. Actually, delete that one. I'll not delete the whole thing. Disconnect, pressed. Level selector. And just change the level so it's selected.
You see, like, I have no idea what he's doing here. I'm bad when it comes to this stuff.
It's just technical stuff to set up a third level. It's nothing huge. Now, when you press level 3 and play, it's actually, well, it looks like level 2, but actually it's level 3. And now we can just start designing our level 3, you know? That easy. Now, get out of the scripting workspace. So basically, how this will work is you just, to make a new level, just select, make it really dirty, select everything and delete all. And then just leave one of every single.
So now, how do I make 2D things like this? What software do I use?
Like, you use Krita and GIMP.
Both or just one?
Well, you use both to make bigger stuff, you know.
Alright, you're gonna have to show me eventually. Not right now, but some other time.
And now I'm super stupid and I also deleted the heart. It's not intended. just set that stuff. So that stuff.
Yes, and we are going to turn this into a mobile game too.
Yeah, of course. This is like the typical mobile game. You don't need to do
And I hear you all saying a mobile game with no ads. Yes, a mobile game with no
Yeah, of
ads.
course. The only problem, yeah, of course, with no ads. The only problem is you know how iOS and Android, they charge huge fees if you want to upload a game to the App Store or like Google is okay, Google Play Store, like if you have an Android, because they charge you $40 once and you can upload as many games as you want. But on iOS, you basically need to pay a huge monthly fee, which I'm not willing to do. I have yet to think of a better way of doing things. Well, and third of all, what should I do with ads? Ads are annoying anyways. Maybe we can make it so you could technically watch an ad to revive yourself after falling down or something.
No.
No, we probably shouldn't.
Ad-free game.
Yeah,
I hate all those games with all the ads.
I know. Me too. Just then, if it's ad-free,
That is a good point, though.
Apple. Because Apple.
Dan made a good point. He said it's a fake mobile game then.
Which is kind of he's not wrong there, Now elements. We need to get all of those. Okay, now we can start. We should probably do like a cave type thing or something.
Oh, lava. That'd be cool.
Oh wait, I don't have lava implemented yet. We could do that in an update, but that would be like not something to do on a stream. Would be
It's already starting to get boring, right, guys?
What's
it called? I will do the first lesson. Do you guys want to become 3D modelers before us? What's the chance that you guys would want to join on that? Since I'll do a beginner's lesson here.
I think I may also be a little, and also like you kind of do more like of the modeling stuff, and I actually also do more of the advanced stuff like texturing and.
Well, I can basic texturing. I don't know all the advanced stuff.
Yeah, I like doing shading.
Anyway, do you guys want to see how to my basic lesson on 3D modeling using Blender?
Guys, you hear us? I'm working on level 3 in the background.
So just write in chat if you wanna. You're gonna hack the game.
Yeah, man, you're gonna hack.
I don't see how that's possible.
What are you gonna hack? And that sounds more like me. I like hacking games.
Yeah, it drives me nuts. He hacks on Minecraft server.
Yeah, I only hack on pay-to-win servers actually. Like there are some servers like Psycho PvP. Like you literally need to pay them huge amounts of money to be able to do anything on factions or.
Okay, so nobody wants to become a 3D modeler?
That's unfortunate because that's cool. You can always
change your mind.
Exactly.
Anyone want to learn how to code? Anyone want to be a story writer? Join me in Yeager's clan? No?
And mine?
Well, yours is the coding.
You're right. You're right.
No, nothing. Great.
Nothing.
That means we're actually gonna have to look into getting people. Like actually
Well,
try.
just because nobody said yes on a stream, like there's 4 people watching.
That's true.
Maybe we could do like a Discord thing. Somebody on a server said he could get into like learning Python for the mod actually. I heard.
Yeah,
And thing
the
is,
mod is
I
no
never-
secret. The game is that we're working on. We need trusted people for the game.
Exactly. My sister is on board with us to make music.
Yeah, I can make music too. Just saying. I know how. I took a whole for like how many months? For a long time.
The thing is, we should probably
It's pay to win, man.
we should probably have more standardized programs and that also run on all of our things, so everybody can do everything. Technically. Hi.
The game's
We have new viewer. Cool.
the game's pay to win, Dan, man.
All right, we need to show the new guy our game. Now, jump onto my screen share again.
Yep, working on it. Yeah. Okay, person, did you work out the level 3?
Well, not yet. It's not.
What happens if you click on it?
Let's play level 1. This is our game jumper. It's obviously a start of something way bigger. Game development. Story for our studio, Firetech Studios. Pretty cool name, by the way.
Yeah, if you cannot tell, it was basically decided on the fact that the first thing in my username is fire, and then the second thing is tech. And it took forever to come up with, like literally forever.
By the way,
It did
you
actually
should
take us a
probably
long time.
look. Your YouTube channel is actually more than like 100 subscribers. Mine is like only 28. By the way, go over to Paul Tech, to my YouTube channel, and also give that one a big fat subscription, please. Well, really.
Is that promoting right here?
Yes, but also give this channel a big fat subscription.
An unsubscription? Is that what you said, or?
What?
Did you say unsubscribe?
No, I said give this channel a big fat subscription as well.
Oh, I thought you said unsubscription, and I'm like, wait a minute.
So finally, level 1 done, and yeah, this thing right here.
You need to put a "you're done" sign there.
I do need to do that, but I have bigger priorities, you know.
I think that's what Bumble meant.
Yeah, I need to also make it so if you collect all the money.
So how do I get a custom URL? Damon?
After the stream, let's just do that after I played that game, okay? It's really not hard.
Well, I'm asking.
And by the way, you should also probably customize your channel, like to have more.
Yes, I would do that. Right now we are streaming about
Yeah, that would be
video games. Anyway, any questions? I think we're gonna end it
Hey,
soon.
we have a new viewer now. Oh no, we don't. That guy left.
Okay, anyway, I have to go.
Okay.
So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you wanna
Let's just finish.
join our team, just message me or Paul Tech and tell us what you.
Yep. And again, subscribe to all the channels.
Yeah, let's not go with that. Everyone here, I think, is subscribed.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Well, we'll do
then-
this more often with updates for everything.
Yeah, and then check out the game. It's really cool, and there's definitely not a single bug. Yeah, look in Discord or just scroll up in the live chat. Our record was 6 viewers today. That was really cool, right? Oh my.
Alright, well, see you guys.
So, end the stream. Now
Yep, I ended
we'll
it.
see each other